Hi, Chef Jay here.
Today I'll be making soba noodle salad with mayo dressing. Enjoy this soba noodle salad with fresh vegetables and a creamy mayo dressing. It's quick, easy, and perfect for a light meal. The link to the full recipe is in the description. You will need 1 serving of soba noodles, 1/2 stalk of celery, 1/2 of carrot, 1/4 of red onion. For the mayo dressing, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 lemon wedge. Step 1. Slice the celery, carrot, and red onion into thin strips. Step 2. Boil water in a pot. Cook soba noodles according to package instructions and drain. Step 3. Put all the dressing ingredients in a small bottle. Put the lid on and shake to blend. Step 4. Put together the sliced vegetables, cooked soba noodles, and dressing in a bowl and gently combine them. Serve the soba noodle salad on the plate. Topping it with sprouts or toasted sesame seeds for extra flavor. I hope you enjoy this easy and delicious soba noodle salad. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/em/newsletter.
Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.